Hello, good morning people. Welcome to SanskarEdutech channel. My name is Alok Jha. I am Assistant Professor of Business Communication in dtss College of Commerce, Autonomous. Alright, so last time we discussed about business communication, the process of business communication and all the things related to it. Now we will be jumping on to a different topic entirely. What exactly is the topic of today? So today's topic is channels of communication. So what exactly do we mean by channels of communication? So in order to understand channels of communication, we need to understand some terms like line of authority, hierarchy. What exactly is line of authority? Line of authority is from where the communication is received, from top to bottom, and the hierarchy is the position of each individual. So the communication that takes place from senior level to junior level. So formal channels of communication takes place within the line of authority. The members have to follow the hierarchy or the line of authority. It can be vertical or horizontal. Now let us understand what exactly is vertical communication. Vertical communication is formal internal communication that takes place within the line of authority. It is usually systematic, rule-based, efficient, and well documented. It can be downward or upward. What exactly is downward communication? The title itself suggests that downward means a communication that is happening from top level to the junior level. So this is the communication from higher authorities to lower levels. Example, top level managers communicating to lower level managers. Now, good downward communication should have a short chain, should be timely and updated, of course, should have a provision for feedback. Now, in times of urgency, hierarchy should be bypassed. The right information should be given at the right time to the right person. Now, let us jump to the merits, the advantages of downward communication. Now, what does it do? Like, why do we need this downward communication? What are its merits? So first, it helps to give directions, orders and instructions to the staff. It helps in clarifying confusions. Let us understand this thing. If a new employee joins an organization, now he wants to know what exactly is happening in and around him. Like he wants to understand about the rules and regulations. He also wants to understand what is expected out of him. Over here, the people, like people who are his boss and who are his seniors, they will give him the direction. They will give him the orders and instructions. Second, it helps to control and ensure that there is discipline. So the activities of the staff should have discipline. So in order to maintain a kind of a decorum in and around an organization, this communication is essential and crucial. The third one, it helps to motivate employees through positive performance or appraisals. After all, why does an employee work hard? Or why will senior level management expect an employee to work hard? Because in return, they will give him something. It can be an appraisal, it can be a reward, it can be anything. Second, it helps to improve employees about changes, plans in the organization. It helps to inform employees. So what kind of information is shared by the management to the junior level? It can be about a new policy that was formed. It can be about some plans that has been changed, some change in schedule. It can be anything and everything with regards to information that is coming from top to bottom. Next, it helps management to develop good relations with the labor workforce. So there has to be a proper bonding between senior level and junior level. This bonding requires a constant conversation that is happening between them. Now, every coin has its two sides, right? So downward communication also has its share of disadvantages, demerits, limitations. Let us understand what exactly are the disadvantages of downward communication. First, if the line of command is too long, then there may be delays. You know, when a junior level employee receives information from a senior level management, it takes too much time for that information to reach to him. Now that information, when it takes too much time, now the essence might be lost, or it can happen then because there is a delay or something. The message may get distorted or lost as it passes down the line of communication. Like in Chinese whisper, the communication that was supposed to happen from senior level to junior level got distorted because the kind of people involved in it, because of the long chain of command, it has passed through various stages, and now when it has reached to the end, everything is distorted. It has lost its essence, you see. Sometimes subordinates resent the excessive authority of the seniors. It may happen, and it is seen all across the organizations, that junior level employees are not satisfied with their senior level managers because of various reasons. And somewhere or the other, there is a deep-seated anger for their senior level managers or senior level employees. There may be over communication and under communication. What happens in over communication? Managers or the senior level management expect too much things or too many things from the junior level employees. They expect a lot. So the expectations are really, it can be impossible expectations or improbable. What is under communication? When the things are not smoothly conveyed. So a junior level employee may find it hard to understand or grasp the information that is expected out of him. So he may not be able to understand it fully or completely. Last, upward communication may be too less. So because there is constant flow of downward communication, there is a constant information that is flowing from the senior level to the junior level. So there is hardly any space left for upward communication. And it is really bad for any kind of downward communication to not have any kind of upward communication. Let us recap all the things that were discussed until now. It's a recapitulation time. Downward communication is when senior management or the managers talk to the junior level employees, either to let them know about the policies, rules, memos, notices. So any kind of communication happening from the up towards the down is downward communication. Now, let me give you a question to jostle your mind. You can search for the answer anywhere you want. So the question is, identify whether the following is an example of downward communication and justify your answer. The manager instructs employees to submit their weekly reports by Friday. That is all from my end. Thank you so much and have a great day. We'll meet next time.